Do you use chat apps in personal and business communication? Do you realize when agreeing to their terms, you have become the product for these large companies? Your data, your private life is being sold. Every word you type or say is stored. AI algorithms are being used to profile you beyond your imagination. Did you agree to this when downloading the app in the first place? The bottom line is, your privacy and security is at risk. Wouldn't it be nice if there was a chat app in which your data was 100% yours and completely private and never shared with third parties? Introducing Punk Panda. Punk Panda is a military-grade secure chat app that never stores nor shares your personal information with anyone. It has all the stuff you expect from a chat app, plus cool features such as zapping messages, hiding and unhiding, and much more. Punk Panda is the place to conduct all personal and business communications that you want kept where it belongs, with yourself. On top of this, Punk Panda is armed with a wallet for purposes of digital transactions with the same security and privacy values as our chat app has. This makes Punk Panda the place to communicate and do business. Protecting privacy